Florida loses more children under the age of 5 to drowning than any other state. Annually in Florida, enough children to fill 4 preschool classes drowned and do not live to see their 5th birthday. Florida overwhelmingly has the highest unintentional drowning rate in the nation. In Florida, 8 out of every 100,000 children ages 1 to 4 will die from drowning. Lee County is listed at 8th place for pediatric drowning age 1 to 4. In 2008, 71% of these drownings happened in residential swimming pools.